Hello everyone, welcome back to Geet Vlogs. Hope you guys are extremely well, and today's video is for all the foreign parents who are coming to Poland with their kids. Recently I start getting a lot of questions on my channel asking about the best kindergarten in Poland and what are the timings for the kindergarten, how much is the fees they have to pay, and if both the parents are working, then what are the options for them, if there any kind of benefit their kids are getting from government. So these are few questions which I am frequently getting. So today I would like to explain education system in Poland for kindergarten, nursery and school, and I hope this will be helpful to all the parents. Before starting the video, let me introduce myself. My name is Geet and we are in Krakow from past 10 months, and my kid is also going to kindergarten. He started going to kindergarten from the September month. Today I will be sharing my experience, and information which I am recording today is after a lot of research. I spoke with few Polish friends over here as well, and yes, let me share the details. So let's start the video. Let's talk about the nursery or the daycare in Krakow, Poland. So the majority of the Polish day nurseries will take babies from 3 months until 3 years old, and they usually operate between 6 a.m. till 5 p.m. or some around from 7 a.m. till 5:30 or 6 p.m. like that, and they all have to be registered by the local authority and inspected annually, and the cost can range from 250 PLN to 600 PLN per month. So this is for the nursery or the daycare. So this cover the question wherein people are asking if both the parents are working, then what are the options. So they can send their kids to the nursery or the daycare if they are too young, and you can give, if the kids are still on mother's feed, then you can pump the milk and give to teachers, or if they are in the formula milk, you can give them formula milk, and the teachers will teach them the nappy training, potty training and all those things. And yes, all the teachers are extremely humble and reliable, so you need not have to worry at all. So let's talk about the kindergarten now. So kindergarten, like in India we have LKG, UKG and class first after that. So similarly here in Poland as well, wherein we have foundation 1 for kids age up to 3 years to 4 years, and foundation 2 for 4 years to 6 years, and pre-preparation for school will be around 7 years. If I talk about my experience, my kid is 3.5 years age, under foundation 1 right now. This is what teacher decided, and teacher gave off the option, and you need not have to worry because the teachers will decide as per their age, and it is very simple here. So this is how the age wise. Approximate fees starts from 800 PLN to approximate 1800 PLN, and it completely depends on the schools and the activities which your kids are going through. And on top of this fees, you have to pay extra cost. And what is that additional charge? On top of that, you have to additionally pay for trips if they are going for any trips or workshop or outing, for school books and equipment. So this will one time you have to pay to school, and yeah, this is how is the fee structure here. I hope it is clear to all the parents. If I talk about my kid, we are paying 14 zloty every day for meal. Like my kid eats breakfast at home, but lunch and snacks is in school. So for lunch and snacks we are paying 14 zloty. But suppose if your kid want breakfast, lunch and snacks, so you might have to pay 15 zloty or 16 zloty. So it is like that. So I hope daycare, nursery and kindergarten is clear to you all. Now let's talk about the type of schools in Poland. So the schooling starts from 7 years of age till 18 years of age, and here you have three type of schooling. So first is Polish only school, which works on Polish curriculum, and these school are government funded school, and yes, they are free of charge. And second is bilingual school, and these are mostly on Cambridge university curriculum, wherein these are half government paid and half parents have to pay, and the fees will be around 2000 Polish zloty to 3500 Polish zloty. So it depends, like when your kids will move from first class to second to third, so like that even fees will be increasing little bit. And the third one is international. So third one will be international school, and these schools are British or American curriculum, and yes, they have complete English subject, no Polish here, and these are a bit expensive, and the fees will be somewhere around 3500 PLN to 7000 PLN per month. And if we talk about the Polish only school and the bilingual, in Polish only school, as I said, it will be on Polish curriculum, wherein you have more of Polish subjects and less of English subject. But yes, they do have English subject as well. And in bilingual, as it is Cambridge curriculum, you have more of English subjects and less of Polish subjects. So yes, so they will focus more on English on bilingual school. Now here, parents get confused like what to do, in which school they should send their kids for education. So I would like to tell you that education system in Poland, in Polish school, is equally as good as international schools and matches with European standards, and they provide high quality education. If I share my experience, we chose bilingual school because I wanted my kid to learn Polish language as well, because little children can learn new language very easily, and by sending your children to Polish only or the bilingual will let your children socialize easily, so they can make new friends easily, also they can learn the Polish culture. So I want him to learn all these things apart from English, because English any which ways they will learn, but yes, we felt Polish is also equally important if you are here. And if you plan to send your kid to international, they will only be learning English. Okay, so it totally depends on parents what decision they want to make. Now let's talk about how to apply and when to apply. So the kindergarten starts in the month of September, or the schools start in the month of September. So the ideal time will be April to May. You can start looking into the schools so that you will get the entries as per your choice of school. How to apply? You can book online, and you have an option to book schedule a meeting with the teachers of that particular school, and then once the teacher will confirm, then yes, the teachers will call you, and then you can talk to the teachers about whatever the questions you have in your mind about the curriculum, about the fees, extra activities, after school activities, and all those things. You can talk to the school, talk to teachers, and once you talk online, then they will call you to visit to school. They will give a slot to go and visit to school, and when you go to school, you can look around the surrounding. If you like and everything goes as per your plan, then you can fill the admission form there, and then you can come. So it's very simple, and teachers, they do help you in everything, and it is very simple. And a few months before, I made a video wherein we were doing the school hunt, and if you want to see, you can just check how humble were the teachers and how nicely they explained us, and it was so easy. We didn't feel that we are in a different country, and no such hassle or no problem choosing the school or the admission and anything like that. It is very easy here, and the standard of education is very high. extremely welcoming people. Don't worry about the school, there are n number of kindergartens, and the best part about the kindergarten is that in every apartment here in the ground floor you have the private kindergartens. My apartment where I stay, just below our apartment there is a kindergarten. If I check the other apartment, there is one more kindergarten. So one question which I was getting saying that which is the best kindergarten in Poland. As for me, I guess all the kindergartens are equally good. The standard of education is very high in all the schools and kindergartens. Let's talk about the benefit which your kid gets in Poland from the government. So yes, here you have a government program that is called Rodzina 500 plus, or often just called as 500 plus, was created in 2016 and since then supports many family budgets in Poland. The benefit of 500 plus, which is tax free, is paid monthly to every child under 18 years of old. So is this applicable to foreigners as well? Answer is yes. If you are a foreigner, then yes, if you are residing in Poland with your kid, then yes, you are entitled for family 500 benefit. Yes, we are getting every month 500 zloty for my kid. When to apply? Once you come to Poland, then you will apply for the temporary residence card, which you will get in 4 to 5 months. And once you get the temporary residence card, then you can go to the district office here, or you can apply online. You can submit a form for that you need to have the document, all the original documentation. So what all documentation is required? They need your child's birth certificate, your passport, and all the relevant supporting documents. You can send it online, or you can go to the office and you can submit, and within few months your child will start getting the 500 zloty per month. So guys, that's all for today. And if there is any parents who are watching from Poland, and if you have any other important point to mention which is important for the foreign parents, and if I missed any important point here, I will request you please go to the comment section and do mention your comment. That will be really helpful. And guys, I will be putting a few important information in the description. Please do check the description box as well. And yes, that's all for today. I hope this was helpful to you guys. So see you in next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.